So I think my ute camper, or as you say in the States, truck camper, is finished. And the reason I believe it's finished is because I'm starting to get a little fancy and do things that really aren't needed. And I think the essence of any trip you're about to take is to really keep it simple and just start off with a simple setup and then build on that as you need it. So why do I feel I'm getting fancy? Because yesterday I was stuffing around trying to make a wooden bespoke hipster stand for this bike. And in the end I just couldn't get it balanced because I want to have the handlebars that way. And an Aussie strap does the same thing, so there you go. So let me show you what I've got here. Single to double bed, so if need be, I can drag that out to fill the whole tray. But at the moment it's just going to be me, so it's set up in the single bed setup. Also got a truck bolt here, which is lockable, and that's got three different compartments, and I've got some various sealed plastic containers just to keep the dust out, keep things in, maybe food or whatever. So got that, and also right at the front I've got a plastic container with a lid, and I think that's about 80 litres, and it's a bit difficult to get that out, but I wanted something that big because it fills the space and that means it's not going to move around. Also got some rubber matting there, so on this side, as walking in, bikes, boots, whatever, I can pull that out, give that a sweep, keep things tidy. Also lined it with marine carpet. Get a lot of condensation if you're sleeping in here. The marine carpet stops mould, and it's good stuff. I've still got to fill a few gaps there, but also got curtains, and I've done a bit of sealing to keep dust and weather out. Some of that hasn't worked so well, but you learn as you go. And the curtains, it's got to be a stealth camper. Now in Australia now, in a lot of places, you're not allowed to camp. It's illegal. So by having curtains, I can sneak in the back there. No one even knows I'm in there. Pull the curtains, get away with it. Camp on a suburban street. Probably have to get rid of that Australian flag. You can't have that now, can you? With identity politics, can't be patriotic, can you? Won't go into that. In the cab, well, we have got the super cab, so behind the seat I can fit a lot of my video gear. I've also put in a bespoke drink tray and the radio, a new radio, and the new radio has Bluetooth and USB, which is really great because a lot of my music now I have it on USB sticks, so I can be choosing my own play mix. And with the drink container, that was I think it held some wine from Aldi. It's a great little storage thing, so it works. And of course originally this was Mark 1 of the travel plan, and that's got if you look in there's a big hole where an engine used to be, and everyone's doing the van life. I'm going to do the ute life or the truck life, and the benefit of that is, well, with the ute, people are willing to work on it. It's easy to work on. Did you like my little Australian map of Australia? It drives like a car, great air conditioning, great heating, and it's stealth. It's a real sort of stealth unit, and I can change things around too if need be. So I think it's finished. It's I'm not going to be. I think I've still got to stop now, and I'm very happy with the way this has worked out. There's still enough headroom there, and there's enough room for space. And this side is going to be the action side where I can have surfboards, I can have my bike. And the reason I'm taking the bike is, cities and cars aren't so great. You've got to pay for parking, you've got to drive around and find parks. What I can do with the bike is I can park outside of a city, ride the bike in, explore the CBD, and not have to worry about paying for parking or using a lot of fuel. It's environmentally friendly too. And as you can tell, this is an eco camper, just because it's green. All right, I think I'll finish there. Thank you.